Good morning, students. I hope you will be safe and healthy and at home. Today, we will continue the Geography Chapter 2 Physical Features of India. We have already covered subtopic of this chapter like theory of plate tectonics, formation of Himalayas, mountain ranges, and formation of northern plains and peninsular plateau. Today, we will discuss some remaining feature of the country like the Indian desert, coastal plains, and island groups of India. We will start with the Indian desert. The Great Indian Desert, also known as the Thar Desert, it lies towards the western margins of the Aravalli Hills, and this region receives scanty of rainfall. U-shaped sand dunes are also found in this region. It has arid climate and low vegetation cover. Coastal plains of India are geologic feature found around the world and on both the sides of eastern and western coast. Coastal plains, an area of flat low-lying land that is situated near to water bodies. Area marked with the black shade indicates the coastal plains of India. Western coastal plains. The western coastal plains consist of narrow strip of land in the western part of India between the Western Ghats and Arabian Sea. As it is a narrow plain and consists of three sections. The northern part of the coast is called Konkan and the southern part is called Malabar coast. We can also see through this image. This part of the plain receives the rainfall from southwest monsoon. Now the eastern coastal plain. It is a wide and level plain which lies between the Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal. In the northern part, it is called Northern Sarkar, while the southern part is known as Koromal Coast. Large rivers like Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, and the Kaveri, they form extensive deltas on the eastern coast. Lake Chilika is also located on the eastern coast. It is the largest saltwater lake of India. The island groups of India. The island groups are of great economic and strategic importance for the country, like tourism potential, trade, security, etc. The country has two groups of islands, Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The Lakshadweep Islands are located in the Arabian Sea. Its area is 32 square kilometer. Kavaratti is the administrative headquarter of the Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep are the coral islands of India as they are formed by the coral deposits. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in the Bay of Bengal and are bigger in size and more numerous and scattered. Andaman and Nicobar are divided into two groups. The Andaman lie in the north while Nicobar lies in the south. Both these island groups have great biodiversity. The main learning of the chapter is that each physical feature of India have their own importance for the country. Like northern mountains provide us perennial rivers and forest wealth. Northern plains are the granary of the country, while peninsular plateau is the storehouse of minerals as they provided raw materials for a number of manufacturing industries. The coastal regions and island groups provide sites for tourism and port activities. Thank you. In the upcoming video, we will start with Economics Chapter 2 People as a Resource.